Good morning, children. Now we have to discuss about the evaluation part. Book back questions to be very thorough, children. Now, next, which method of crop improvement can be practiced by farmer if he is inexperienced? That is mass selection. Pusa Komal is a disease-resistant variety of cowpea. Is the right answer. Himgiri, developed by hybridization selection for disease resistance against rust pathogen, is a variety of wheat. Miracle Rice, which saved millions of lives and celebrated its 50th birthday IR8. Which of the following is used to produce products useful to humans by biotechnology technique? The right answer, used to produce products useful biotechnology technique. Both, same for that one question mark. Both A and B, which can cut the DNA with the help of restriction endonuclease. Scissors don't write, it is an instrument. This is the enzyme. You have to write restriction endonuclease. rDNA is also called rDNA is a recombinant of vector DNA and desired DNA. rDNA means both combined, vector DNA with desired DNA. DNA fingerprinting is based on principle identifying the repetitive sequences of DNA. Organisms with modified endogenous gene or foreign gene are also known as transgenic organisms. Now next one, if a hexaploid wheat 2n is equal to 6 is 42 haploid, the haploid and the basic number of chromosomes respectively. If 2n is equal to 42, then n is equal to 21. Similarly, if 6x is equal to 42, x is equal to 42 by 6, 7. So the right option is fourth one. Now fill in the blanks. Economically important plants with superior quality are raised by plant breeding. Next one, protein-rich wheat variety is called Atlas 66. Colchicine is the chemical used for doubling the chromosome. Scientific process. Next question, produces crop plants enriched with desirable nutrients is called biofortification. Rice normally grows well in alluvial soil, but Atomita 2 is the answer is rice variety produced by mutation breeding that grows well in saline soil. Genetic engineering is the word you have to write in this gap. Next one, restriction endonucleases can cut the DNA molecule at specific positions known as palindrome. 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 Similar DNA fingerprinting is obtained for identification of organisms. Ninth one, stem cells are undifferentiated mass of cells. 10th one, in gene cloning, the DNA of interest is integrated in a plasmid. Now next one, state the true or false. First one is false. Here instead of tetraploid you have to write allotetraploid. The process of producing an organism with more than 2 sets of chromosomes is also false. Not mutation, strike or connective, you have to write polyploidy. A group of plants produced from a single plant through vegetative or asexual reproduction, this is also false, is called clone. Iron fortified rice variety determines the protein quality of the cultivated plant. It is true. Golden rice is not a hybrid, it's false. That is GMO, genetically modified organism. Bt gene from bacteria can kill insects, it is true. In vitro fertilization means fertilization done inside the body, it is false, not inside, it is instead of inside you have to write outside. DNA fingerprinting technique was developed by Alex Jeffrey, it is true. Molecular scissors refers to DNA ligases, it is false. Molecular scissors you have to write restriction enzymes. restriction enzyme. Now next one, matching already I have marked. Next one, understand the question. Assertion. First question, assertion, right option will be A. Second one will be D. Third one will be C. Now next part I have discussed, also I have written answer in sentence. Give the name of the wheat variety having dietary fiber and protein. Answer is triticale. I have written the answer. Answer is triticale. Number 2. Semi-dwarf varieties were introduced in rice. This was made possible by presence of dwarfing gene in rice. Name this dwarfing gene. PETA and DGWG. That is the answer. Number 3. Define genetic engineering. That is from book page number 292. I have written that page number from book page number 292. Genetic engineering. Here we have told already, marked here. Please collect the book from your seniors and start studying. That is the from here to here you have to mark. Now next one. Next question is, name the types of stem cells. I have written for you. There are 2 types of stem cells, embryonic stem cells, and second is called adult or somatic stem cells. Now next one, 5th question is, what is transgenic organism? Just now I have discussed transgenic organisms. Page number 295. Plants and animals expressing a modified endogenous gene or foreign gene are also known as transgenic organisms. Now next question, importance of biofertilizer. I have written for you. They are eco-friendly, easily available, not too much costly, and efficiency is more. These are the advantages or the importance of biofertilizer. Now next question, short answer. Discuss the method of breeding for disease resistance. That is page number 287. Page number 287. From here I have written, marked also from here to here. That is the answer for this. This is 4 marks question. Name 3 improved characteristic features character of wheat that helped India to achieve high productivity. These 3 points: higher yield, resistance to diseases, shorter duration. Next question, name 2 maize hybrids rich in amino acid lysine. Protina, Shakti, Ratna. These 3 varieties. Distinguish between somatic gene therapy. That is, again you have to go to the page number, gene therapy. These 2 definitions only have to write: somatic gene therapy and the germline gene therapy. These 2 points to be written, definition enough. Undifferentiated cells and differentiated cells I have written. The undifferentiated, unspecialized cells, they are specialized cells. They can be transformed into different types of cells for therapy. They cannot be transformed into any type of cell. There are 2 types of this type. Around 200 types are present. That is the differentiated cells. Now next one, state the applications of DNA fingerprinting. Just now we have discussed page number 295. There are 3 points you have to write to get 4 marks. Now next one, you are having how stem cells useful in regenerative process. That is stem cell therapy, page number 294. From here till that end, 2 lines on the right side on top. These are the answers. Next, outbreeding and inbreeding. That is also 2 definitions with examples to be written. Inbreeding definition, these 2 lines along with this is the example. Outbreeding, from here, this is the example, till here you have to write, as it is 4 marks question. Now next one, effects of hybrid vigor in animals. Effects of hybrid vigor, already the 4 points are there, page number 291. Question number 1. Now next one, describe mutation breeding. Mutation breeding, page number 290, start from there and pull from here to completely have to write, and the achievements also right side on top, as it is 7 marks question, long answers. Now next one, you are having biofortification help in removing hidden hunger. So biofortification already we have discussed. This is the page number 288, starting from here. Bio meaning, what do you mean by that, and what are the different achievements, 4 points, and along with the definition. Now next one, you are having like labeled neat label diagram, explain the technique involved in gene cloning. Gene cloning already we have discussed. This is the page number 292, brief outline. From there you have to start. These are the writing part and this is the diagram till here. Now next part, discuss the importance of biotechnology in the field of breeding. That is in page number 293. There are 5 points are there, 1, 2, 3, and on top 5 points are there. Okay, till here, that is the end of this topic. Okay, thank you children.